Welcome to Boventures. Today we are checking out of the Universal's Endless Summers Resort here at Surfside. Let's go take a little walk around of this little resort and we'll just tell you a little bit about it.
Yep.
Okay, I have the kiddos with me as well.
Hi.
So let's head on into the hotel. This hotel is one of two of the Endless Summer Resorts. The other being the Dockside Resort, which is across the street there. I'll put a nice video of the Dockside Resort in right now from this morning. We had a great view from our room. This resort is the smaller of the Endless Summer Resorts, having only 2 towers. So it's not as congested as Dockside is, but it also has a little bit less options from a food perspective. So as you walk in here, you're greeted by a nice open lobby. And for all you Starbucks lovers, you are able to get Starbucks here at your resort as well. I love the Surfside surfboards here that they have. And as you enter, they do have a ticket booth. And what we really liked about this resort, it has an Avis car rental center. So we rented a car at the airport in Tampa and drove it here, and we were just able to drop it off, which was great. The main food area here for this resort is the Beach Break Café, and we'll go show you in there shortly. Really love these lounging chairs here. Do they swing? A little bit. They're like a squeaky swing. Right beside the Starbucks. They do. It's fairly busy as it's the morning, so we won't show too much here. Let's do a little quick run by, and I'll tell you some of the things we loved about it. Let's see the dining areas in there. As we go into the game room here, you can see little game options if you have a down day at the resort. Something that we really liked at the Beach Break Café were their pastas. You get a really big portion for how much you pay. You can probably share one for 2 people. So if you're looking for some inexpensive options, we would definitely recommend the pasta. And on the inverse side, we wouldn't recommend the deep fried fish bites that they had there. It was a very small portion and tasty, but not filling for how much you pay. They also have a fitness center here for those visiting. Open from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m., which is a fairly standard gym here. They also have a bar here by the pool called the Sandbar. We didn't get anything here on our trip, but here is the menu, and the prices are actually a little bit cheaper than the other Universal resorts that we have visited. So here's the pool area. There's only one area here. There's a little splash kind of jets at the front of the pool as you enter in, and 0 entry, which is great. A fairly basic pool, but great for cooling down on a hot summer's day, and you got a great view of the little lake over there. And that is going to do it for our ski tour here at the Endless Summer Resort, Surfside. We really enjoyed our time here. The family suites here that we used for our party of 5 was great value for how much space that you get. And that's what I would highly recommend if you have a larger party to stay at one of the Endless Summer Resorts. Something I really do like about this resort is how bright all the colors are and the kind of beach wood vibe that they have around. We're going to check out the store, and that will be the last thing here. So if you forgot anything in the parks or you saw some things in the parks that you like, they do have some stuff from the parks here. Like chocolate frogs. They used to be a little bit more selective what they put into the stores from the parks in the past. But you're starting to see a little bit more even ones. They're even on the putty trend with Harry Potter putty. What did you get? Ah! They also have the interactive snowy owl and the niffler that go on your shoulder. And they move around and make noises. And they are $59. They also have Minions and swim stuff as well, if you forgot anything. And some Jurassic Park and Spider-Man stuff. Thank you for watching our quick little resort tour video. We're off to our next destination, so stay tuned for those videos. But But until next time, Boventure is out there.
Woo! Like and
Goodbye.
subscribe.